Welcome back, Lina girls over there. Davey D's over here. Time for some shakas and shoutouts.
That's right. Let's kick it off with shakas and shoutouts to Hawaiian Council and all the attendees at the 2026 Native Hawaiian Convention.
It is day one, and right now the plenary session is going on. In fact, let's take a look at what's happening right now inside the Blaisdell. They're having that little talk story session. You can see, is that Chair Cully Watson? Not that one.
Ryan Case.
Yep, that's him. Of course, the chair of the Hawaiian Homes Commission, director of the Department of Hawaiian Homelands.
And it's just really cool to see some of our big leaders of organizations that affect not just our Native Hawaiian community, but our community in Hawaii as a whole. You know, they're all showing up.
Yeah, I saw they have actually a breakout session with all the mayors. In fact, no, it might be in tomorrow's plenary session where they're going to have all the mayors from the different counties on stage, and then people can
just talking
engage
about their issues. And I mean, you know, it's awesome that we are sold out with registrations, but now these people get a chance to really talk story with their leaders, find out what's going on. The plenary, the group presentations, it's going to be live on KITV.com from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. through today and also through tomorrow.
Yeah, so please go check it out. It is streaming right there. You just gotta click on that Native Hawaiian Convention story, and then it's in there. All right, more shakas and shoutouts for you. Shakas and shoutouts to the Hawaiian stilt, or our Aeʻo. Once common across the Hawaiian Islands, the Aeʻo population fell to about 200 birds by the 1940s due to overhunting, wetland loss, and invasive predators.
But after more than 50 years of conservation efforts, the population has rebounded to more than 1,500 birds. As a result, the Aeʻo has been reclassified from endangered to threatened, is still in need, but this is a major conservation milestone for Hawaii.
Yeah, all right.
For sure. Shakas and shoutouts to everyone looking to go green. The Department of Land and Natural Resources Division of Forestry and Wildlife is now making it even easier to buy native and non-invasive plants online.
Now, these seedlings help restore forests, rebuild areas impacted by wildfires, and support healthier watersheds. And many of the plants aren't available at your typical garden center.
Online orders are available from state nurseries on Maui and Hawaii Island. It's a simple way to help grow a greener, more resilient Hawaii.
Nice. Heading on over to the Valley Isle for shakas and shoutouts to the nonprofit organization Maui Cancer Resources. They're inviting Maui County residents currently undergoing cancer treatment to apply for their Camp for Cancer Recovery. It's a free supportive weekend retreat happening August 7th through the 9th.
The retreat offers a chance to rest, connect with others on a similar journey, and recharge in a supportive environment. Meals and lodging are included, and participants are selected through a random lottery. The application deadline is July 25th. That's coming up fast.
Yeah, and that link for that, the registration you can find at kitv.com/links. All right, shakas and shoutouts to American rock and roll icons, Journey.
Oh my gosh, love them! Journey fans have one more chance to see the legendary band live in Hawaii. Due to overwhelming demand, a third and final Honolulu show has been added to the band's farewell Hawaii run.
Now, the new show is set for Saturday, September 5th at the Neil S. Blaisdell Arena, joining the previously announced concerts on September 6th and September 8th. The September 8th performance, by the way, will remain Journey's final ever show in Hawaii.
The Hawaii pre-sale for the newly added show begins this Friday at 10 a.m. through Ticketmaster, giving local fans the first opportunity to get tickets before they go on sale to the rest of the world.
We're also giving you a chance to win tickets at kitv.com/contests. In fact, let's announce today's winner.
We want to say a very big congratulations to Tracy Sonan, who won a pair of 4th row tickets. Woo! That's close.
Nice.
Nice. And yeah, you can enter now at kitv.com/contest, because tomorrow we're going to give away 3rd row tickets. We're getting you closer and closer to the action. Wow. Good luck.